am going to start with the lesson 5th standard English G, the lesson sentences. Which is the lesson number 24, sentences. This is your second term. Which term? Second term. Okay. So you have to take your grammar book, that is English folder, grammar. Take it fast. Then take the page number 72, the lesson, the sentences. What are the sentences? How many types of sentences are in the English languages? Okay. So look at the board. Sentences. What is the sentences? जो भी हम लोग किसी को बताना हो, वो एक सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए उसमें अलग अलग नियम होता है, कुछ ना कुछ ये होता है. बट कैसे सेंटेंस कंप्लीट होता है और सेंटेंस में कितना टाइप्स होता है, सेंटेंस को कैसे क्लासिफाई करता है, इसके बारे में इसमें इस लेसन में बताया. ओके. नाउ यू टेक द लेसन, लुक एट सेंटेंसेस को क्लासिफाई कितने, हाउ मेनी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस या डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस, देन इंटरोगेटिव, imperative and exclamatory. These are the 4 types of sentences. First of all, assertive or declarative. What is the meaning of assertive or declarative sentences? What is assertive? Look at the book. Convey information through statements. They end in a full stop. These kind of sentences are most commonly used. हम लोग जो अपने रूटीन जीवन में जो सेंटेंसेस यूज करता है उसको बोला जाता है असर्टिव या डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. असर्टिव और डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस जो कॉमन जीवन में, नॉर्मल जीवन में जो हम लोग यूज करता है, नॉर्मली जो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में यूज करता है, उसको दैट इज कॉल्ड द असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस. दैट इज असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस कन्वे इंफॉर्मेशन. मैं इधर जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल, आई एम गोइंग टू मार्केट. दैट इज द डिक्लेयर करता है या डिक्लेरेटिव इसलिए बुलाया जाता है, वो डिक्लेयर कर रहा है ना. तो वो जो कॉमन सेंटेंस होता है, किसी को कोई इंफॉर्मेशन पास करते हो, किसी को कन्वे करते हो, उस टाइप का सेंटेंसेस को व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड? दैट इज कॉल्ड असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस. दैट इज एग्जांपल. व्हिच इज द एग्जांपल हियर? वी आर जस्ट जोकिंग. वी आर जस्ट जोकिंग. Then second one, I go to school every day. एक सेंटेंस है, इधर दूसरा वाला है. कैसे? I go to school every day. That also a assertive sentence या declarative. Then the children, third one, the children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. These are declarative या assertive sentence called. These are called the assertive or declarative. इसमें कुछ बोला जाता है, किसी को कुछ बताया जाता है, कुछ डिक्लेयर किया जाता है. That is, we are just joking. I go to school every day. मैं रोज जाता हूँ, तो सबको पता है इसे. Then the children are playing in the park. These are the 3 sentences. Now the declarative sentences. These sentences are also used with the negative form. Declarative sentence can be अफर्मेटिव और नेगेटिव हो सकता है. यही सेंटेंस जो है असर्टिव सेंटेंस, हम लोगों को उसका नेगेटिव फॉर्म में भी इसका ऑपोजिट नेगेटिव करके भी यूज कर सकता है. कैसे? द चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट वन, वी आर नॉट जोकिंग. इसी का ऑपोजिट लिखो, जो ऑपोजिट नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में इसको आप लोग बोल सकते हैं. दैट ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द डिक्लेरेटिव और असर्टिव सेंटेंस. इसमें I go to school every day. I not go to do not go to school every day. I do not go to school every day. मैं रोज नहीं जाता स्कूल. Then last one के लिए भी that also negative में हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. The children are The children are not playing in the park. Okay, these are also called the assertive sentence. जो सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव में है उसको नेगेटिव वे में बोले तो भी उसको भी बोला जाता है assertive और declarative sentences. That also called the assertive or declarative sentences. These are the examples for assertive, positive and assertive negative sentences. Now we are going to explain the interrogative sentence. I am going to explain about interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Okay. Next exercise. What is an interrogative sentence? Okay. So interrogative sentence are second word. Interrogative sentence का ask question. किसी को कोई question पूछने उसको बोला जाता है interrogative sentence. They begin with words like do, is, when, where or why. They end a question mark with a question mark. They are either have a short answer like yes or no or long answer. उसमें short answer भी हो सकता है, long answer भी हो सकता है और उसके लास्ट में क्या होता है एक question mark. First example for interrogative. Look, when you were young, did you make oil painting? Did you make oil paintings? That is a question. तो शुरू हुआ when से, then did पहले दे दिया है और उसके बाद लास्ट में दे दिया है question mark. These are the specialty of interrogative sentence. स्टार्ट होता है कि question word से, did आगे दिया है, लास्ट में हम लोगों ने इसमें क्या दिया है question mark. These sentences are called interrogative sentences. Ask questions. They begin with which words are used for ask question? Be like do, is, when, where or why, etc. etc. How, who, these are, etc. These are the word starting with the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence के आगे तो question word होता है, लास्ट में एक question mark जरूरी है. Okay. Then next example. Look. Will you lend me a helping hand? That is also a question. Start with the will and end with a question mark. Then next, what is your name? Simply, what is your? Then it's also a question. Where are you going? Where are you going? Then who shall I stop? Shall I stop the bus? Shall I stop the bus? तो कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया? Shall, where, what, will. Starting with the question words and ending with a question mark. These are called interrogative sentences. These are called interrogative sentences. Okay. Now the third one, imperative. Which is the third one? Imperative. What is an imperative sentence? Look. What is an imperative sentence? the next part of the type of sentence. and imperative sentence कैसे होता है? These are sentences used to convey commands or request. These are used to convey, किसी को ऑर्डर देना, कमांड देना या किसी से रिक्वेस्ट करना, तभी हम लोग कौन सा यूज करता है? इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस यूज करता है। किसी को ऑर्डर देने के लिए या किसी को रिक्वेस्ट करके किसी से काम लेने के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करता है? इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस बोलते हैं, वो यूज करता है। दैट इज फर्स्ट वन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अरेस्ट हिम, कमांड देना है, ऑर्डर देना है, दैट इज ए कमांड। कमांड आ जाता है या ऑर्डर आ जाता है इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस में। देन सेकंड वन, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, मुझे माफ कर दो, मुझे माफ कर दो, दैट इज रिक्वेस्ट, दैट इज इन रिक्वेस्ट फॉर्म। फर्स्ट वन इन कमांड या ऑर्डर फॉर्म, देन सेकंड वन इन रिक्वेस्ट फॉर्म। तो इन दोनों फॉर्म में इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस यूज होता है, कमांड में भी यूज होता है और रिक्वेस्ट में भी यूज होता है। देन which are fetch the ball, fetch the ball at once, that is an order, that is an order, fetch the ball at once, that is an order. Then next one, please do your work silently. Please do your work silence. Do your work in silence. Do your work in silence. That also say that's a request. किसी से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है अपने काम अच्छी तरह से कैसे करना है? साइलेंस में करना है। Then next word, shut your mouth. That is an order, है ना? Shut the door, shut your mouth. Then shut the window, that are an order and request और कमांड। इन सभी में कौन सा सेंटेंस यूज होता है? विच सेंटेंस? द इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस। These are the example for imperative sentence. The sentence used as request or order or command. This type of sentence are called imperative sentences. These are the examples for imperative sentence. Now the last one, exclamatory sentence. What is the meaning of what type of sentence are explanatory sentences? Okay, look at the book. What is an explanatory sentence? There are sentences which are used to convey strong emotions, happiness, anger and such other feelings. जो अपने इमोशन को डिस्प्ले करने के लिए, दैट उसको प्रोजेक्टिव करने के लिए, कि उसको कन्वे करने के लिए हम लोग जो यूज करता है, उस सेंटेंस को बोला जाता है एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस। दैट मीन्स दैट आर एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस क्या होता है? एक्सप्रेस स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस लाइक सरप्राइज, एंगर, जॉय और एक्साइटमेंट। इन सबको कन्वे करने के लिए जो सेंटेंस यूज किया जाता है उसको बोला जाता है एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस। दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस। दिस इज द फॉर एग्जांपल, write down the example book here. Which are the example book used for in the explanatory sentence? This is like magic. That is a surprise, no? That is लास्ट में क्या मार्क होना चाहिए? एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क इधर होना जरूरी है। एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस में किसी का सरप्राइज हो, किसी का एंगर हो, किसी के इमोशन प्रकट करता है या उसको प्रोजेक्ट करता है या उसको कन्वे करता है, तभी सेंटेंस लिखने के बाद लास्ट में क्या होना चाहिए? एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क जरूरी है. एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क हर एक एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस में होना जरूरी. दिस इज लाइक मैजिक. देन नेक्स्ट what a plight, P-L-I-G-H-T, what a plight, that also explanatory. Then how heavy is the rain, how heavy, H-E-A-V, heavy is the rain, that also explanatory. Then how cruel, C-R-U-E-L, cruel and act is that, and also explanatory. Then what a cute boy, that also explanatory. In these all sentences we use an exclamatory mark here. So this is called the exclamatory sentences. These are called the exclamatory sentences. So and the remembering things that an exclamatory sentences हमेशा एक what, how, these words start with the what, how, like words. Okay, how, what, how many, that are the how, what. These words are used before exclamatory sentence. Okay, these are the four type of sentences: assertive, or declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentences. Now we are going to complete the exercise work of this lesson number 24. So take a pencil. You have to do the workbook with the only use sentence pencil. Okay, only use pencil to complete the work in the grammatical book. Okay, take your workbook and complete the focus work. First exercise, focus. Read the following jokes. Use the following colors to underline sentences of the different type. Assertive, green, interrogative, red, imperative, blue, exclamatory, brown. अंडरलाइन करना है दिस कलर्स यूज करके. असर्टिव में कौन सा ग्रीन यूज करना है, इंटरोगेटिव में रेड यूज करना है, इंपेरेटिव में ब्लू यूज करना है, एक्सक्लेमेटरी में ब्राउन. लुक, ए मैन सेट ऑन ए बिग हॉर्स एंड अराइव्ड में इधर जो वर्ड्स लिया है उसको लेके में कौन सा है, इंटरोगेटिव है क्या असर्टिव है, वो लिख रही है. आप लोगों को अंडरलाइन करने के टाइप अलग अलग कलर का करना है या इसे लिख भी सकते हो आप. ओके, a man sat on a big horse and arrived on Friday into a small town. That is first sentence. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस जो है वो कौन सा है, assertive. That is assertive. Then he stayed for 2 days on Friday. That also assertive. Second also assertive. Second sentence be assertive. Is this possible? That is interrogative. Third sentence, that is interrogative. That is interrogative. Interrogative. Then, is this possible? That is question. Yes, it is. That is the answer. Then answer भी मिलेगा. Yes, it is. इसके साथ ही आएगा. Yes, it is. Okay. that is also interrogative के साथ आएगा. Then his horse was called Friday, that is assertive. Fourth question, fourth sentence. Sentence 4. His horse was called, that also assertive, that is assertive. Okay. तो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में फर्स्ट सेंटेंस जो है, विच सेंटेंस? ए मैन सैट ऑन बिग हॉर्स एंड अराइव्ड ऑन फ्राइडे इनटू ए स्मॉल टाउन, that is assertive. Then he stayed for 2 days on Friday, that also assertive. Then is this possible as it is that is interrogative, third sentence. Then his horse was called Friday, that is assertive, that also assertive. So 3 assertive sentence or 1 interrogative sentence in the first paragraph. Then second box, what do O said to H? What did Jiro say to A? What a lovely bed. The first word, second box में, a first box है. Then second box, first question interrogative. First sentence जो है interrogative. Then what a lovely bed, that is exclamatory. Second जो है, what is the answer? that exclamatory. क्या है? exclamatory. फर्स्ट वन जो है इंट्रोगेटिव है, सेकंड वन जो है एक्सक्लेमेटरी है इन द सेकंड बॉक्स. देन थर्ड बॉक्स, फर्स्ट वन knock knock, who is there? knock knock, who is there? knock knock के जो सेंटेंस है वो कौन सी है? फर्स्ट सेंटेंस एक्सक्लेमेटरी. knock knock जो लिखा है. देन सेकंड वन, who is there? that is interrogative. Then lettuce who, lettuce, then lettuce के बाद एक एक्सक्लेमेटरी है, वो जो है फर्स्ट, सेकंड, देन थर्ड. थर्ड सेंटेंस क्या है? lettuce exclamatory mark is there, तो that is exclamation, that is a exclamatory sentence. Okay, exclamatory. Then fourth one, lettuce who, that is interrogative. Fourth, interrogative. Then lettuce who, lettuce in, it is raining outside, that is symbol imperative. lettuce in, that is imperative, it is rain outside. lettuce in लिखा है, lettuce को अंदर आने के लिए बोल रही है, तो वो what is the fifth one question? lettuce लिखा है, उसका क्या बोलते हैं? imperative. क्या है? knock knock, who is there? lettuce who, lettuce in, it is raining outside. तो lettuce किसी का नाम है, तो lettuce को अंदर आने के लिए बोल रहा है, तो वो कौन सा सेंटेंस रहा है? lettuce in, that is an order, तो उसमें यूज किया है imperative sentence. Okay, then last sentence, it is raining outside, that is exclamation mark. तो sixth sentence is exclamatory. Okay, These are the sentences. I repeat all the sentences. Look at the box, all of you. First box, a man sat on a big horse and arrived on Friday into a small town. That is assertive. Then second, he stayed for 2 days on Friday. That also assertive. Then is this possible? Yes, it is. That is interrogative. Third sentence. Then his horse was called Friday. That also assertive. These are the 4 type of questions in 4 type of sentence in the first box. Okay. Then in the second box. This is the second box. This is first box. In the second box. First sentence. What did O say to H? What did hero say to H? That is a question, so that is interrogative. Then second, what a lovely bed. That is an exclamatory mark there at the end of the sentence. So that is exclamatory sentence. Then in the third box, that is, this is the third box. First, knock knock. That is an exclamatory sentence. That knock knock, that is an exclamatory mark there, so that is an exclamatory sentence. Then who is there? That is an interrogative sentence. That is an interrogative sentence. Then third, lettuce, that is exclamatory. So third sentence only write down the lettuce, lettuce करके exclamatory mark दिया है, that is exclamatory. Then lettuce who, that is an interrogative. And last, it is lettuce. Fifth, last night, not last, fifth sentence, that is lettuce, after lettuce, lettuce in, that is an order, though that is imperative sentence. Lettuce in, that is an order, that is imperative sentence. Then the last sentence is raining outside, that is an exclamatory mark in the last, so that is a exclamatory sentence. These are the 4 types of sentences in that 3 boxes. Okay, note down fast, all of you. Now the second practice. Take the next exercise. Practice, all of you. Identify what kind of sentence each of the following is. Then mark the object, mark the subject and the predicate. Okay. First sentence. India beat New Zealand in yesterday's match. This is the sentence. India beat New Zealand in yesterday's match. This is an assertive sentence. कौन सा sentence है? Assertive. They are declarative. Okay. Then which are the, then what is the, then mark the subject and the predicate. India is the subject. India is the subject. Right here. Subject. And remaining part of the sentence is called the predicate. This is called the predicate. Subject and predicate. This is predicate. Okay. India is the subject and beat New Zealand in yesterday match is the predicate. Okay. You have to write down in the sentence में लिखो या फिर कहीं भी लिखो. This is subject. Then this is predicate. The remaining part is predicate. Okay. Then second sentence. Have you seen the new Superman film? Have you seen the new Superman film? That is a question. That is a question. तो कौन सा होगा ये सेंटेंस? ये सेंटेंस होगा इंट्रोगेटिव. Interrogative sentence is the answer. Then which is the subject and which is predicate? Look, have you seen the new Superman film? Then subject is you seen the Superman. Have you? Then you subject है, predicate बाकी जो have seen the you is the you here is the subject. Then remaining part जो है have the new Superman film. Have you seen the new Superman film? बाकी remaining part जो है ये subject है. You is the subject है. Remaining part जो है वो है उसका predicate. So you mark there the predicate. You is the subject. बाकी जो बचा है जो remaining part है वो predicate है. Then so question 3. Stop talking. The sentence is stop talking. That is now. That is an order. That is an order. So the sentence is imperative. Imperative sentence. The sentence is imperative. That is the type of the sentence. Then stop talking is subject is you. Subject is the understood. Subject is the understood. Subject is you. क्योंकि हम लोग हमसे अगर you stop talking now इससे बोलता है वो understood है. बाकी stop talking now that is predicate. This part is predicate. Stop talking now, that is predicate. Subject is you here, that is already understood. Then fourth sentence. What a spectacular catch that was. What a spectacular catch that was. That is an exclamatory mark here. So the sentence is exclamatory. क्या है? Exclamatory. The sentence is exclamatory. Then subject is spectacular. Subject is this is the subject here. Spectacular. This is the subject here, okay? What is spectacular? Spectacular is the subject, okay? अलग लिख रही हूँ. Subject is spectacular. That is spectacular is the subject. Then remaining part, what a catch that was. What a catch that was. That are the that is the predicate of the sentence. That is the remaining part is. This is the subject. Then the remaining part is for your predicate. Okay. Then many people visited Anida at the hospital. Last fifth sentence. Many people visited. Look here. Many people visited Anita at the hospital. That is a full stop. The sentence is assertive. The sentence is assertive. Okay? That is. Then many people is the subject and remaining part are called the predicate. So note down this one. First sentence में have you seen the new super film? Sorry, India beat New Zealand in yesterday match. The India is the subject and remaining part is the predicate. And assertive sentence. Second way, have you seen the new super film? That is an interrogative sentence. That is an interrogative sentence. Then you is the subject. You is the subject here in this sentence. Okay. Stop talking now. That is an imperative sentence. That is an order. The you, the subject is understood there. That stop talking is the predicate. Then what a spectacular catch that was. That is an exclamatory sentences. Then sentence के आगे a spectacular is the subject here and what a catch that was the remaining part is the predicate. Then last one, many people visited Anita at the hospital. That is an assertive sentence and many people is the subject and visited Anita in the hospital is the predicate. So note down fast all of you. Then the last extension match the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I orally बोल रही हूँ आप लोगों को मैच करना है A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Please may I borrow your book. That is A match with D. Okay. A match with D. One number match with D. Please may I borrow your book. Then 2. Do not pluck flowers. Do not pluck flowers. That means A. Do not pluck flowers. Answers. Then 3. How delightful is the weather today. Is the weather today. So 3 के साथ E. Then 4 number. Shruti has baked a chocolate cake. That is B. That is B. Then 5th number. Wash your hands before every meal. That is which number? C. These are the answer for the match the list. First one. Please may I borrow your book. Second one. Do not pluck flowers. Third one. How delightful is the weather today. Then the fourth one. Shruti has baked a chocolate cake. Then 5th one, wash your hands before every meal. So, and write down here your homework also. This is your homework, today's homework. Learn and write types of sentences and learn its definition. learn the definition and the definition of. Different. With example. 4 टाइप ऑफ सब्जेक्ट के बारे में आप लोग बोलेंगे कौन कौन सा 4 टाइप्स है और उसका डेफिनेशन लिख के एग्जाम्पल के साथ होमवर्क में करना है। एक एक दो एग्जाम्पल लिखना है और उसका डेफिनेशन लिखना है और कौन कौन सा टाइप है सेंटेंसेस वो भी लिखना है इन योर होमवर्क बुक। So, till the next video, have a nice day.